こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Ankake Yakisoba. This unique style of noodle dish called Ankake Yakisoba and is very popular in Japan. Ankake means food covered in a thick savory sauce, and Yakisoba means stir-fried noodles. You can pretty much use any kind of stir-fried vegetables from the fridge to make this comforting dish. And the combination of the flavorful gravy-like sauce with vegetables and the crispy pan-fried noodles is so enjoyable. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna make crispy noodles. For yakisoba, we use pre-cooked stir-fry noodles. They are made of wheat flour and are available as a pre-cooked pack in supermarkets. Place the noodles in a strainer, pour boiling water over them, and drain the hot water very well. Transfer the noodles to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Place the noodles in a frying pan and make the noodles in a circle shape. Gently press down on the noodles with a spatula. This helps form them into a nest shape and make them crispy. Cook without moving until they begin to brown on the underside, about 5 to 6 minutes. Carefully flip and cook the other side the same. Meanwhile, let's cook the ankake sauce with vegetables. Prepare about 280 grams of stir-fried vegetables. Sheena is using a pack of mixed stir-fried vegetables that she bought at the supermarket. It's included pak choy, carrot, baby corn, peppers, green beans, onions, Chinese cabbage, tender stem broccoli, bamboo shoots, etc. But you can use any kind of your favorite stir-fried vegetables. And she put some shiitake mushroom slices. Mince 1 clove of garlic and a little bit of ginger, about half a teaspoon. Place 150 milliliters of hot water in a bowl. Add a third of a vegetable stock cube and stir to dissolve. Add 1 tablespoon of vegan stir-fry sauce. This sauce is an alternative to oyster sauce and made with shiitake mushrooms. It has a similar texture and taste to oyster sauce. Please see the description below for more information and a link to the product. And add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix. In a small bowl, place 1.5 tablespoons of cornflour or potato starch, and 1.5 tablespoons of water, and mix to dissolve. When the noodles are nicely crispy and cooked, transfer to a plate. Add the minced garlic and ginger to the frying pan. I think there is enough remaining oil in the frying pan, but if you need it, add a bit more. Stir-fry the garlic and the ginger for a bit, and add the vegetables and the shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry for a couple of minutes. Then add the sauce, and simmer to cook for about 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and stir in the cornflour and water mixture. Turn on the heat stirring and cook for 30 seconds until the sauce becomes thick. Add some white pepper and a pinch of salt to adjust your taste. And add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix. Pour the Ankake sauce with vegetables onto the noodles. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. Sheena likes the texture contrast of the crispy noodles and the thick sauce. It's a fuss-free hearty dish that makes you feel cozy. So why not to try it? Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye! またね!